Hi everyone, are you looking for a super heart healthy and low calorie breakfast? Well, this recipe is just what the doctor ordered. It has no saturated fat, no cholesterol, plus it's low in sodium, low carb, and it's keto, paleo, and gluten-free. You know, you're not gonna find a better breakfast or snack than these egg white mug bites. I'm Jan Diatri, and I love cooking in my RV, but let's get cooking in your RV. I'm starting with an organic orange bell pepper. I love the sweetness of the orange and the yellow, but you can use any bell pepper you want. I've rough chopped them, and now I'm gonna dice them in my really handy food processor. This thing is so great. It'll dice it in no time. Done. Now I'm gonna take a nice spoonful and I'm gonna place it at the bottom of my microwave safe mug. I'm gonna add just a little bit of chopped green onion. Put it right in the mug. Now, rather than cut up more veggies, I'm making life a little easier by using some Pico de Gallo. I love this from Trader Joe's. It is scrumptious and it's packed with vitamin C, A, and K. Just put a little spoonful right in. Now I'm going to add in some superfoods like baby spinach. I'm just going to take a few leaves and just tear them up. And some beautiful little kale. You know, you can use anything you like arugula or chard. Now, another way to bring in some healthy nutrients is to use just a pinch of organic microgreens, like the ones I got here at Trader Joe's. You know, this egg white mug bite is a perfect opportunity to use some leftovers in your refrigerator, like some chopped broccoli, maybe Brussels sprouts, or even lunch meats like turkey or breakfast sausage. Now, I've got some roasted chicken from last night's dinner, and I'm gonna put that right in the mug. Now I'm just gonna mix all these ingredients together and incorporate these delicious flavors. Finally, I need 2 egg whites, and I really love the organic fresh eggs. I'm gonna separate them here. But you know, you can also find liquid egg whites in a carton. Now I'm just gonna add those 2 egg whites to the mug. Now I'm gonna microwave this for about 2 minutes. My microwave has an output of 1,000 watts, so that should be perfect, but depending on your microwave, you can adjust the time in 10-second increments. Oh, nice. And 2 minutes later, you have a beautiful egg white mug bite. Look at that. Now, I really love to finish this off with a little bit of spicy salsa, and Trader Joe's has a pepita salsa that is unbelievable. And because it's made with pumpkin seeds, you're gonna get some magnesium and some zinc and some healthy fat. So let's talk about the nutrition facts for one of these egg white mug bites. For this version, without the chicken or salsa in it, it has just 50 calories, 0 grams of fat, 3 grams of total carbs, 8 grams of protein, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, and about 176 milligrams of sodium. Here's a great RV lifestyle tip for you. Consider purchasing a hand-powered food chopper. They chop and dice so easily, they will fit perfectly in your RV, and they're inexpensive. I've got a Kuhn and a chef in here. Let me show you how great these are. These are some peppers, and watch this. Done. There's your peppers. And with the chef-in, we'll do some onions, which are really not fun to chop all the time. Watch this. Done. Very inexpensive, and you can find these online. You know, there's lots of ways to customize your very own egg white mug bite with lots of add-ins and flavors. And if you do, let us know how you make yours in the comments below. And please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and as always, subscribe for more great RV recipes just like this.